Forward facing sonar is so fun to fish with, and my friends even say that I'm addicted to it. One of the ways that I like to do it is I like to target individual fish. It allows me to go through, pick and choose which fish that I want to target. And today in the weeds, it's exactly what we're doing. We're going through, finding these high fish that are higher in the water column that are actively feeding. So we're able to target the more active ones and get more bites. And part of the way that I set mine up, especially in the weeds, is I like to have mine on the trolling motor. Putting on the trolling motor allows me to make smaller adjustments through the weeds and find these fish that are hiding on the backside of the stalks, make more efficient casts. When I choose my trolling motor, I prefer a cable steering one over a traditional style because it's a lot more efficient, it's a little quieter, allows me to control the boat a little bit more. So basically I'm meandering around, panning back and forth through the weeds, finding these fish hiding behind the stalks. When I see a fish, I try and keep the boat about 30 feet away from the fish. There's a little bit of a sweet spot where if you get too close, you're gonna spook the fish. If you get too far away, you're not gonna see the fish properly. So about 30 feet is about the sweet spot that I like to keep them in. Make a short, precise cast and see how the fish reacts to my bait. If it reacts positively and it's going to eat, then I sit there and work the fish. If not, I move on to the next one, just targeting active fish. So if you wanna get into the forward-facing sonar craze, which I highly recommend, put it on your trolling motor, and with a little practice, you're gonna catch a lot more fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.